How are you today, Jim?
I'm fine, Ghosty. And you?
I'm happy. Yahoo! Yahoo! I've got a party on Saturday. Come with me.
Where's the party?
In a big castle.
Where's the castle?
On a lake.
On the lake?
Yes, a lake.
Where's the lake?
In Scotland.
Where's Scotland?
Look at the map. There's Scotland. And there's Loch Shin.
Loch Shin? Where is Loch Shin?
Loch Shin is in Scotland. Loch Shin is a lake. And this is the castle.
Wow, let's go!